Okay, so panoorin na natin to.
Increase tensions. Their mission is precisely the opposite, is to lower tensions. Nagpapadala tayo ng demarche, nagpapadala tayo ng
Don't get me wrong, I totally agree with Marcos on these things.
Okay, sige. Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo muna yung context nung sinasabi ni Pangulong Marcos. Kasi binobomba tayo ng China ng water cannon and it is under his instruction na huwag kayong papalag. Hayaan nyo lang sila, let's take the moral high ground dito sa laban against the West Philippine Sea. This is the first time we've ever had a at least defensive stand and openly defensive stand against China. This is an important albeit about this narrative. Napaka-importante nung sinabi ni President Marcos kasi nga we're trying to come up ways to defend the land that is the sea that is remaining to our na wala silang artificial island. Kuha nyo. So malaki-laki pa yon pero yun yung tinatrabaho ngayon ng ating gobyerno. Now, let's listen to this guy twist the narrative as usual. Oh.
Na sinasabi niya.
Okay, ano yun? Bible.
Ano sabi niya? We're not there to escalate.
Oh, ano? Tama, escalate.
Kaya lang,
Escalate,
Mr. President, yun yung sinasabi mo, pero iba ang ginagawa ng tao mo.
Hindi.
That's my problem.
No,
You are
mali.
correct in your policy. Honestly, you're correct.
Si Banat Bay kasi, ano yan yung tamang sip-sip sa mga matataas na opisyales. Pero doon sa mga, meron siyang mga tinitira, kunyari si House Speaker, at saka dito si Remulla, yung mga titirahin niya dyan na parang ibibintang niya kung bakit merong very fiery speech si Commodore J. Tariela ng Philippine Coast Guard. Kasi ngayon, siya yung spokesperson kasi. Okay? Siya yung tagapagsalita ng buong Coast Guard. And what he is seeing, rinireport niya lang, kung may passion man sa tono ng pananalita niya, it's not because wala lang. It's because he is a fucking soldier who is willing to die for this fucking country. Motherfucking makapili motherfucker. Pero tuloy natin,
We're not supposed to, parang, ano sila, i-agit natin sila, o provoke. Tama ka dun. Perfect.
Pero
ang tanong, bakit yung mga tauhan mo hindi sumusunod?
sumusunod sila.
Iba statement, laging palaban, alabang kami, dulusok.
Hindi yon, mali. Mali yun. Ang kanilang statement is sharing the sentiments of many Filipinos who wants to have the West Philippine Sea. Ang tawag doon katapangan, hindi pagsuway. Stupid motherfucker. Ganyan siya ka-twisted, my God. Lord, patawarin ng Panginoon tong tao na to.
Sug kami!
Yung ba yung sinabi niya? No, that's not what he said. The Commodore was calm, collected, but he was showing you valor. Diba? Grabe. Ito yung sinasabi niya.
Elevating the tension. And we can interpret it as what Senator Ping Lacson mentioned, no?
Na parang,
it appears that they're almost peeing at our own backyard.
Exactly.
But
Kasi nga sa atin yun Sa atin yun. Kaso, ang ginagawa ng China, may mga humanitarian missions, yung Coast Guard natin. Ang ginagawa nila, binobomba nila ng tubig, yung mga maghahatid lang ng pagkain doon sa ating mga nakabase doon doon sa bangka natin. No? Tuloy.
Again, the guidance of the president is very clear. We need to have a moral high ground and to show the international community that we're not going to be the reason of elevating the tension. And we're pretty much not similar, no, with the barbaric behavior of China. For our Coast Guard, we still respect our, the regional norm, no, ng Philippine Coast Guard when we talk about maritime safety. This was mentioned also by the commandant of the Philippine Coast Guard.
So sumusunod sila. They are the number one applying what the president is saying. Huwag mong i-twist, Banat Bay. May interview naman sa kabilang parlor. Tagus pa. So, ba't di ako nakasubscribe kay Christian Isguera? Maraming salamat talaga dito kasi it clarifies yung mga banat ni Banat Bay as misinterpreting the action of this guy. This guy is not a bad guy. This guy is for this country. This guy is trying to fight China in the most peaceful way possible. Wala tayong magagawa eh. Sabi ng presidente, wag basahin. Pero, of course, as Filipino, as mga kabaro niya, yung mga nandun, magagalit yan. Naturalmente yun ng tao, banat bay. Ako, sige, babasahin ko yung mga ibang DDS vlogger mo. Pag nakita ko, anong mararamdaman mo? Napakasimple lang nito, putang ina. Ito twist pa ng sobra eh. Yan ang problema dito sa mga DDS na to. Tuloy.
Admiral Ronnie Hilgaban. Sinasabi niya, ang water cannon natin is not intended to harm anybody.
Yes.
It is intended para makapag-rescue ng mga tao every time na mayroong mga sakuna sa karagatan. So, that is not designed para manira ng barko at manakit ng ibang tao. And that's the main core mandate of the Philippine Coast Guard when we talk about maritime safety.
Although for the record, technically, meron ba tayong ganyang capability? Yung bang Coast Guard vessels, meron din water cannons. Pero hindi lang natin ginagamit na ganyan.
The 44-meter vessels, Christian, na nanggaling sa Japan, lahat naman to equipped, standard na may equipment ng water cannon. And if
kaya nilang makipagsabayan, pero that will just escalate matters. Now, let's move forward dito. Teka lang ha.
I mean, we can understand, maintindihan naman natin ang level ng emosyon ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino.
Exactly.
Na bakit ba natin hinahayaan na ang China Coast Guard gamit ng water cannon against the Philippine Coast Guard vessel? Naintindihan naman natin yan eh. Pero
wala tayong magagawa kasi dahil if we escalate, mas GGG tayo. Hindi nila sinusunod. If they have passion in what they're saying, parang ikaw, banat bay, meron kang passion sa sinasabi mo kahit mukha kang tanga dyan eh. Diba? Literal na walang sense yung sinasabi mo na ang natutuwa lang yung mga stupido mong fans na naniniwala pa rin na merong magandang dinudulot dito ang mga Duterte. Wala, boy. Ano ka ba? Ngayon, pabayaan mong lumaban yung mga Coast Guard natin in their way. Ginagawa nila yung kailangan nilang gawin. To stand down and do their humanitarian work. If they are watered down, stand down. Ganun lang. And show the world how China is bullying our country. It's about time na at the very least, maging aware ang mundo sa kahayupan ng China sa Coast Guard natin. Pero ikaw, pakinggan mo yung sarili mo.
Yun ang hindi ko mag-gets Mr. President. Tama yung unawa nyo na hindi natin dapat escalate dyan, dapat relax lang.
Escalate kasi.
Pero yung tao natin, lahat ng pag-i-escalate ginagawa.
Hindi, kasi ayaw nila kasi na magkaroon tayo ng patriotic narrative. Kasi nadadala talaga ako sa laban ng mga Pilipino kapag nakikita kong binabasa-basa lang tayo ng ganun-ganun lang. Of course, I want to fight back. Pero may rational mind ako eh. If we fight back, they will escalate further. So tayo yung magmumukhang aggressor doon. Yun nga yung iniiwasan natin eh. Na tayo yung magmukhang nagyayabang sa China. Even though we already have so much sa paperwork, sa papel, panalo tayo. We went to the court and we won in court. Pero China doesn't respect the law of the sea, yung UNCLOS na tinatawag. Diba? Yung easy na yan, sa atin lang dapat ang gagamitin yan. Literal, that is our backyard. But here comes the Chinese Coast Guard planting themselves. Binabasa tayo, gino-golden shower tayo nang wala sa oras. But then again, if we escalate, they will escalate as well. We are not a military power. We do not have the forces necessary to counter China. Pero giving up is never an option dito, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Giving up a square inch of our land is not an option. Kasi end of the day, pag sinakop nila yan, ano pa yung sa atin? These are important lands kasi maraming natural resources dyan that would help alleviate the pain that we are going through right now. Yung kakulangan natin sa gasolina, yung kakulangan natin sa kuryente, it could, pwedeng ma-remedy yun because of us fighting this West Philippine Sea fight. It is an important fight of our national, hindi lang pati yung identity natin as Filipino nandyan eh. Biruin mo, there is this fucking person saying na, bakit hindi mo labang ka? Bakit ang angas mo sa interview? Tangina, nakita mo ba yung sarili mo? I would rather be this guy fighting for my country than this guy na obviously alam mo kung sino. Konnichiwa, motherfucker. Yun lang. Gege mga lods.